Alright, okay, let's look at begin. Begin and believe. Believe. And to build. Build. So begin, to start something. Let's change that. I will begin teaching next week. I begin. G-I-N. I began teaching last week. Yeah. I am beginning to think that it is a good idea. Yeah, a good idea. How cool is that? A new chapter in life can begin now. How cool is that? And believe. Do you think, to think strongly about something, strongly, I believe it can, yes, it can happen. Yes. Do you believe it will work? I believe that she knows what she is doing. Makes sense. He believes that I can do it. You have a strong belief. Strong belief. Yeah. How cool is that? They will be believing in it soon. They will be believing in it soon. Yeah. How cool is that? And build. Build. To make something. He is going to build a new house. Yes. I will build a new box. Anything. New table. The table was built by me. How cool is that? They think I was building it last night. No, it took a long time to build it instead. Yes, a long time. Yeah. So let's have a look then. So I think I will begin to build a new desk if you believe it is possible. How cool is that? Build a new desk if you believe it is possible. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.